Hey guys, my name's Albert and I'm the owner of Titan Flooring here in Mississauga. Today I'm going to show you guys some flooring options that won't break the bank. Renovations are expensive. For about 2, maybe 3 rooms in a home to change the floors, it will cost you probably upwards of $5,000. And for most people that's really expensive. That no one really has that money lying around to dump into a renovation that they don't necessarily need. But flooring is one of the things that you can change that would completely change the overall feel of the home itself, almost like giving you a completely different house aesthetic. Flooring is a luxury, but there are flooring options that won't break the bank, such as floating click flooring. Primarily laminate flooring and vinyl flooring, and sometimes engineer as well, because they do come in click forms. And what this allows you to do is actually install on top of your existing floors, assuming that it is in good condition. The reason it can be installed on top of your existing floor is because, like I said, it's a floating floor. And so that click system allows them to basically lock together and stay put. Imagine this just sitting on your existing floors. Right, you can see there the click system that locks into place. I'll actually show you a better view with some laminate floors. You can see here, these are laminate floors, and you can see the click system of each, either in 3G, Uni-click, 5G click flooring, all the same thing. They just fancy names for a different locking system. So you might be asking, Albert, why would this be a budget-friendly option and not break the bank? And that's 2 main reasons. First reason being that the material itself is much more affordable, ranging from $1 per square feet to maybe $2 to $3 a square foot, as compared to their counterparts, solid hardwood or 3/4 thick engineer, costing upwards of $5 to $6 a square foot. The second reason that click floating flooring is going to save you money is because of the labor cost itself. Assuming you're not doing the DIY method, if you get a professional such as Titan Flooring to come and install for you, it's going to cost roughly 2/3 of the alternative staple nail down method. And so on that front, you'll save there as well. And to top it off, if you were to compare it to tile costs and tile installations, you're probably looking at triple the cost because of the expensive labor associated with laying down tiles. And additionally, because it's a floating floor, you might not have to remove your old flooring as long as it is in good condition, so then you save on the removal costs as well. All in all, you are going to save in all aspects of click floating floors because of the material costs being lower, the labor costs being lower, and the option to DIY and not having to remove your existing flooring. So if you're looking to change the overall look and aesthetic feel of your home, click flooring from vinyl all the way to engineer is going to be a good option for you. And if you're wondering what it costs you to do your floors, then come check us out at Titan Flooring in Mississauga.